Okay, so let's go with the requirement, guys, for today's example. So the requirement would be you want to concatenate contact name and account name, okay, as soon as the brand is inserted and put that into the brand name, okay. So in this example, I'm doing the operation on brand object, okay. And as soon as I'm doing the operation on brand object, I'm also taking the condition like account and contact should be there. That is the condition. Okay, if that condition matches, I want to concatenate the brand name. And event was update or create. Anything can be there, right? Somebody can change the contact. Somebody can update the account. So at that time also the brand name would be changed because it should be in sync always. Okay. So that is all about the requirement, guys. Okay. Now, as I told, the flow it comes to the flow. It will be on brand object, guys, because you are doing the operation on brand, and it's on create and updated. Okay, because we want it on both, guys. If you wanted on the update, then you would have selected update, but right now you want on create and update both. Okay. Condition, as I told you guys last time, we will not be giving here. We will give it on action on related record. I mean, condition won't be giving here. We will create a decision for it. Fast field update or action related logout, guys. Which one we should select? Ronald, Ruchi, which one?
Create an update.
Action.
No, my question is right now, as far as a requirement, what exactly I should go with? Fast field update or action related record? I want to join these two and paste it in brand name.
Action and relate.
Yeah, action. Because we have to work with all data.
Sorry.
They have put
Yeah.
different object. It's not.
Where is the action happening, guys? You have to understand action. Action is on which object?
Under brand name.
And starting event also, brand.
So we are working with the old data. So
everything is on same object, right? You are
right. So old data. Right.
the
So
event
the
is
other
triggered
option
on the same object. The action is also on the same object, right?
Yeah.
So you guys have to clear, this confusion whenever you guys do example, guys. Okay, do more examples, then only this confusion will go away. Okay, so it's on same fast field update. Okay, you select fast field update, done. Okay, now as I told you guys, condition is contact and account should be there. Okay, so go with the decision. As I told you guys, condition you won't be putting there, so it's better you put the condition with the help of decision always. Okay, and condition is contact and account should be there. Question mark. Okay. Yes, it is there. Yes means you have to make sure record variable. Remember, I told you guys new version of the record comes in record variable. Okay. And then account field is null. False. It means account has the data. It is not null. Similarly, you also have to make sure contact. As I told you guys, this arrow will be only used when you want to reference extra field of contact. Extra field in the sense, let's suppose you want to check name of the contact, owner, first name, last name, any field of the contact. Then you will be using this arrow. But now only contact, so you can go for the contact. Again, same thing is null, false. It means both has the value. This is AND condition, guys. AND means both should have value. If you want to put OR, it means anyone should have value. right? This is same operator which you have learned in the validation formulas. Okay, so this is and is that okay? Contact and account should be there, so it will come here, else it will go here. So now you want to join the brand name, guys. Okay, so condition done, action is assignment. Okay, last time I told you guys for fast field update, you will be using assignment to update same record. Okay, so you can say update brand name, and here you can put this. Okay, brand name. Okay, so I'll go with this step. Okay, first you want to put the name of the account, right? Account. If you see, I'm taking the reference field, guys. Record, then account underscore R, then account name. So I'll go with this first. Okay, to show you guys how that comes. Okay, slowly we'll try to understand. And remember flow which we created. So brand before before. Okay, you guys can merge the same flow with other flow also, because both were on fast field update, right? First I'm writing separate flow, then I'll show you guys how to use a single flow for everything. Activated. Now I'll go back here, guys. I've activated the flow, remember, okay? And now I'll create a new brand record. So far, you guys following? And I'm saving it. So if you see, account name is copied to the brand name. Okay, so this is first thing. It is working. Second is, let's suppose now you want to, update brand name with the contact name. Okay, see the trick, guys. Okay, so you guys may do a mistake. Okay, here, if you put equal to, it means first it will update the account name, then again the brand name. It is, since you're using equal to, it will update the contact name. Like it will override the first by second. Second will override the first one. Okay, because you are just assignment. Okay, first you assign this, then same place you assign the contact name, so it won't work. So let's try add. Do you want to see it, guys, how this will override? Okay, let me show you. Whenever, guys, you update anything, you have to create a new version. Okay, so you have to click on save as, new version, same name. Okay, save it. Okay, so we have a error. You can say the warning. The issue don't prevent, so this would not stop your run. Supported schedule trigger flow. Update brand name. The brand name contact name field contains derived value. Okay, so it says the next fields you want to read is not supported. Okay, what I want to say is the reference field like contact ka bhi next level is not supported. So that is what it is giving you error. So you can do one thing, you can get record. Okay, in that case you get the record, get contact. Okay, get the contact, simple. If the record variable is not supporting those reference field, okay, get the variable, get contact, and here we have to give the ID. You have to use filter, right? So lookup fields are always ID, guys. Okay, so how can you recognize it? Based on the contact lookup. So this is the contact lookup. So now I want to get contact where record ka contact and ID of this contact should be same. Then only you will be able to get the contact. If I show you guys on the UI to make you more better way to understand it. So if I want to get contact, okay, from the database, like this contact, this one, Arthur Song, it is in which object, guys? Object name is here on the URL, contact. Okay, ID is this. Okay, it's a unique ID to identify a contact. Okay, so when you are here on new brand, okay, and you want to see this contact, you want to get this contact, it means this is a lookup field. So it will store the ID of the record. I repeat, the lookup fields always store the IDs of the record. You are seeing the name because it is behind the ID, but okay, on the linking side, you will be linking it with ID, unique ID, which is nothing but this one. Okay, so the same thing I have used, contact object ID equals to record.contact. Okay, so this is all about this. Now you can use first record because it's always ID will be always unique, so it will only give the first single records. It won't giving more than one. That's why automatically store record, that is good. Now you can use, guys, here I'll just do one thing. I'll use get record now. I will search get. You see, get came, arrow came. Now you want to use full name. Okay, I want to click on done. I want to try saving it again. Okay, it is saved now, no error. I'll activate it. Okay, now I'll go back here. I'll create another record and test it. So this time I'll put the account as Arthur. And the account is this, so this is this, save it. Now, if you see here, guys, if you see new brand name came Arthur Song. Okay, the account name didn't came Arthur Song, which is nothing but the contact name. Remember why? As I told you guys, it is overriding the value. Brand name, which was this, first assigned as the account name, then it got overridden by the contact name. So that is about this. Okay, now if you want to, let's use add operator. Okay, you have used add operator because assignment was overriding. Now again, as I told you guys, save as, because whenever you do a change after activation, you have to use save as the flow. Okay, now you go back again, create the record. Okay, this one CEO user, you put this, you put save. Now if you see, both are merged. Test name, theme, CEO, both are merged. So that's where you have to debug, you have to think sharply and all that. Any question, guys?
So if we have a like a 2-3 record already we have created, right? And we are designing a new flow. So the previous data, which is not
Previous
going to
data
affect,
won't be,
only the
yeah,
new.
correct. So here, let's suppose this data, if you do any update, okay, let's suppose I'm changing old to new. Right now, brand name is test new theme. Contact name is Arthur Song. This is this. If I save it, if you see, this is concatenated. Okay, whatever was previously there, it got concatenated with the contact and account. Now on update. So that's where it is merging all of them. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't want that duplicate should come, like always unique come, if you see it is merging because you have used add. Add means whatever currently there, just add these two things also. Okay. If you want to it should never have duplicate. In that case, you guys have only option of creating a formula variable. Okay. I'll show you guys. So you can create a variable from here. Okay. 1 second, cancel. So there is something called here, this option, create new resource. Here you will see all the things which you are creating. So you want to create a new formula variable. This is formula variable. Formula name is a merge contact and account name. Okay. Data type, because you are merging the two text, so it would be text, number, currency, boolean. These are other data types, but you are joining two names together, so it means those are text values. Now a record, you have to insert field, right? Same formula variable, guys, which you have used in formula validation rule. Okay, same here also, same operator, same functions, same insert field. Insert field is from here. So you want to insert field from account first. So I want to join account name. Okay. So here there is an operator, join operator, guys. So if you see here, concatenate operator. So I'll use concatenate operator from the operator box. Okay. These are all operators, guys. Okay. So I want to join. So I've used the concatenation operator. Then I want to give a space also. So give single quotes and inside that put a space bar key. Okay. Give space and then space bar key. Okay. Now again, because you want to concatenate the space bar, use concatenation operator. Okay. Then again, record, and then the contact name. Remember, contact we are using from get. The name. You see, account name, I have used join operator. I have joined a space and then again join operator because I'm joining again contact. So this is very important, guys. Using join operator, then only you will be able to concatenate both. Else they will not get a space between them. Okay. I repeat, if you remove this, click on done, you save as. Okay, 1 second. So I have used save as, guys, but I have not used that formula anywhere. Okay. And we are having a, okay, if you see, guys, there's a warning, the formula expression is invalid. Field this and this does not exist. So this formula, this one is trying to, understand that this is one single variable, but this is not a one single variable, right? These are two different variables. And let's suppose you want to remove this. Okay, single variable, and you do this and try to save it. I mean, I'm going to say, how can I prove myself correct? So if you see, it is not, now it is single variable, it is saved. But as I told you guys, if you put this, it will accept as two variable, but as a single. So you have to join them together. You have to join them together, either space or without a space. Okay. You have to join them, then only it will recognize, okay, this is a two different fields, and then you are joining them together with a join operator. So join operator is, that's why important. So if you see, now I've again edited. Once you create one version, you can keep saving it multiple times if you have not activated it. So if you see, now it is saved, activate. Now I'll go back. Okay. Watch this video again 2 times, guys. Then only you guys will be able to understand everything on this. So now Arthur's, okay, update would still should work. That's why I'm doing again one testing. Whatever you are updating, if you see, it is here. Okay. You guys didn't capture one mistake. We have created the formula, but we are not used it here. So you have to delete this, put equal operator. You have to use the formula, right? Formula you created. This formula you have to use here as a value. So that is the main thing, guys. Don't forget, brand name equals to formula. So now it will give you the concatenation of both. Okay. Last time we forgot to put formula, so old thing was working. So remember, there was no space between them in old. So now I'll do it again. Okay, saving it. Now a space should come with these two names. If you see, space came, guys, between these two, one space. Now I will update it. If I update to Arthur song, okay, to CEO user, previously what I was having, merging. Now if you see, there's no merge. It's coming at single. Now if I again change it to something, or maybe anything, I mean, so it should again just update the new name, if you see. So that's how you can remove your mistakes. So that's how you should keep practicing, guys. Okay, today we'll end up here. Practice more, and we will just capture next, thing in the next session.